Here is how to automatically shuffle questions in a Google form quiz. So let's get started. The first step is to come to the Google form that you want to do this to. So once you've reached the form, then you have to click on settings. That's over here. That you have to enable the first option, which is make this a quiz. Once this is done, just scroll down. Then here click on presentation. Just expand this section. And you'll find this option, shuffle question order. So now just enable it. So essentially what we have done is made our form a quiz. And once you've made it a quiz, you have an option to shuffle the question order. So if you see over here, we have many other settings since we've made this a quiz. As you can see, we've now got total points. After that, there are options such as missed questions, correct answers. So once, just go through all of these settings. And if you don't want them, you can just disable them like this. But just ensure this one is enabled. And now let's see how it works. So for now, these are the questions: name, are you subscribed, and comments. And now if I preview the form, you can see it's changed into this order. Again, I'll preview it. And you can see it has changed. This was the first time, it was name and then comments. And the second time, it's comments and then name. So this is how it works. Every time someone opens the form, the question order would be random. That's all for today. Goodbye.